Hello friends, let us discuss Sun in the 12th house of Aries Ascendant or Mesh Lagna as we call it. As you can see on the board, this is an Aries Ascendant because number 1, the sign Aries is placed in the 1st house or Lagna. Sun is the lord of the 5th house where number 5, the sign of Aries is written, and Sun is placed in the 12th house where number 12, the sign Pisces, which belongs to Jupiter, is written. This is not a good house. The 12th house represents our losses, our problems, and a person going away. So if you have Sun in this placement, or if you know someone who has Sun in this placement, then please watch the video very carefully till the end, because in the end I will also mention the upayas and remedies which are necessary in this case. The 12th house represents our secret enemies and worries of the mind. The 12th house also represents our lower portion of the legs, that is the feet below the ankle, and our eyes, especially the left eye. The main thing to remember here is that this house indicates expenses and person going away. Now, how do expenses happen? Because Sun is placed there, Sun is a significator of self-respect and ego. So the person will spend money to boost his ego. He will spend money on his friends, on other people, on buying things so that people praise him, and his ego gets satisfied. Secondly, Sun represents the government. So the losses will be because of government fines, some government penalties, some challans being cut, and these type of things. The 12th house represents a person going away. What does going away mean? By going away we mean that a person can go to a hospital if he falls ill. He can become isolated in a hospital. He has gone away from his house and his home and his family. Similarly, a person may go to jail, he may go to asylum or these kind of institutions where people are kept separately and they are not allowed to mix up with others. In this case, if Sun is in a good dignity, it has got good conjunction and aspects, then the person will go into occult and the person will get a job in a hospital or in a place where he would be working alone, like doing some kind of research or doing some kind of discovery, or working in chemical laboratories, working in asylums, working in jails, or working in hospitals. All these jobs Sun in a good dignity can give him. Going away also means going abroad. Therefore, the 12th house also represents abroad, and in case the Dasha Antardasha is connected to the 9th house and the 3rd house, then surely the person will go abroad during this period. A person going away implies that the person is going away from the material world. That means from the physical world when we go away when we sleep. And so this place, the 12th house, represents a person's sleep also. And Sun in the 12th house will normally lead to disturbances in sleep pattern. The 12th house represents losses and the 5th house represents our investments. So a person's investments during this period when Sun is active, the investments are likely to go into loss. The 5th house represents our first child and the 12th house is 8th from the house of the first child. And so it represents that the first child will have disappointments, problems, all kind of obstacles during this period, and the first child may also have a lot of fights with people. The 5th house also represents our love affair. So during this period, the person will walk away from his love affair on his own. There will be a breakup in the love affair not because of the opposite party, but because of the person himself. The 12th house also represents our eyes. So in case there is a malefic influence on sun, then the eyes of the person will be affected, especially the left eye. Sun represents the father. Sun is placed in the 12th house. Father is also represented by the 9th house, and the 12th house is 4th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th from the 12th house, and the 5th house is 9th from the 9th house. And so for the father, this will indicate that father may go on long journeys, father may get an offer regarding buying or selling of property, or renting of property, or taking a property on rent. If you have sun in this position, then the remedies that are required are that one must donate either wheat or jaggery to any poor man on Sunday afternoons. I'll repeat this. You have to donate either wheat or jaggery to any poor man on a Sunday afternoon. This will reduce the malefic effects of the sun. That's all about sun in the 12th house. Thank you.